It's Verity here and welcome to my channel Pretty Little Button. This is an unboxing video of the Spellbinders March card kit of the month. I'm going to open the box and show you what's inside there, and if you stay towards the end you'll see a really quick card that I make with using this kit. And if you want some more inspiration, I've got some more cards on the blog and I'll be bringing out another video really soon with a few more cards. So as I said, this is the March card kit of the month and this is called Have a Spring Day. And it comes in a beautiful box that's got all like the tools that Spellbinders have in a little cartoon version, and I think it's really lovely. And when you open the box you get a kit sheet, and this shows you a couple of cards making the kit. And then you also get a pack of 10 cards and envelopes. So these are the A2 American size cards. They're white card bases and white envelopes. And I've managed to make quite a few cards using these card bases. So they're great if you don't have any and you want to start out making some cards. This is a fantastic kit for that. It is themed around sort of more Easter and springtime, because obviously spring and Easter is next month. So you get some tape to get you started, some double-sided tape. So you get a stamp set in the card kit. This is about an A2 size stamp set, and it has some beautiful little sentiments in here. Hey baby, grow with the flow, you're really amazing and cute and funny too. Life is cool and so are you. You've got this cute little sheep here that you can colour in. You've got a few little smaller stamps that you can stamp and sort of embellish a card if you are creating with it. You then get these Puffy chipboard sets, and you get 2 in the packet. And these are stickers that are adhesive on the back and they create some really fun embellishments. And then you get a pack of die cut shapes. These are Have a Spring die cut shapes, and there are so many die cuts in here, with loads of different sort of pictures. You've either got sort of flowers, you've got a bunny, you've got hearts, you've got wellies, you've got cycling, bicycle, you've got a watering can. So there are so many different things in there, a sun as well, that you can use and embellish. And I'll take a look at these again a bit later on. So in there you get a pack of sequins. These are sort of like a cream sequin with some iridescence to them. They are really, really pretty. And in the pack you get 2 different sizes of sequins to play about with. As I said, they're kind of pearlescent and got a bit of iridescent shine. Then get a beautiful paper pack, and I'll look at that in a bit. And then we get these beautiful puffy stickers. These are glitter, and they're 3D sort of foam glitter stickers. You also get a die set, and in this die set you can create both a bunny and also a sheep. And if you check out my blog, I'll show you a fun way I used the sheep hair to create a background. The card kit comes with instructions of how to use the dies, how to assemble them, and how to create a little card using all of the items from the kit. In addition, you get some card in here, so you get a couple of pinks, yellow, green, blue, black, white, and also some mirror gold. And obviously these colours are very spring-esque, so they're perfect for die cutting and creating with for your card kit. I'm just going to show you some of the paper pack and just flip through this so you can see the different styles of patterns that are in here, and they're really, really pretty. You've got quite a variety in here, and you have 20 different designs in here. Most of them are very small pattern designs, but you've got some larger, bold geometric designs. You've also got some that have some florals in them, and then you've got some sort of like watercolour look backgrounds. A couple of the sheets also have some sort of gold flecks or colouring in the pattern as well, which is really, really pretty and just catches the eye. They also do pair really, really well with the die cut shapes that come in the set as well. Got the same colour scheme. Also, some of the patterns use some of the elements that come in those die kits to create a pattern with as well. I really love some of the sort of very fine patterns, the geometric patterns that are very small. Great print and pattern for your backgrounds. So I'm just spreading out some of the die cut shapes here, so you can have a look at all the different types of shapes that you've got. Real variety. You've got rainbows, you've got flowers, you've got some signs, houses, watering cans, you've got animals like birds, you've got envelopes, you've got flowers in vases, you've got bicycles, wellies, suns, hearts, all sorts in this pack. There is such a variety, so no matter what your style of crafting is, there is probably a shape in here that really appeals to you, so no matter what you go for. I loved the ones that have got some also sort of like mirrored gold elements into them, or the more sketchy ones that have got some of the patterns that you can see in the pattern paper as well. Really shows how this really ties in really, really well with the pattern paper pack. As I mentioned, there are some animals in there, so you've got some birds, you've got some bunnies, so great if you want to make some Easter cards or spring cards. You've got beautiful elements in there as well. There's a lot of florals in there that have sort of a watercolour effect, a watercolour look as well, so they're great if you love the look of watercolour but you really struggle with doing that. So I'm just going to show you a really quick card that I created using some of the elements from the card kit. So I picked out that rainbow die cut from the die cut shapes pack and I added some foam pads behind it. I haven't adhered it down yet. I'm currently using the foam glitter sticker sheet and I'm adding some words to the card, so one of the white card bases. And I'm going to spell out hello little one. I thought this rainbow would look really cute for a baby card. And I'm just, the one, it comes joined up, that's a word that's already joined up, whereas the hello and little are all separate letters. So to make sure I've got them straight, I'm just adhering them on using my T ruler. And of course, because they have adhesive on the back of them, you don't need to add any extra adhesive, any liquid adhesive. You don't need to get messy. It's already done for you. You just simply put it down and you adhere it down. Now, I placed it like this and I thought, oh, that looks okay, but I wasn't quite sure that I liked the rainbow on top. So I'm removing the hello, placing the rainbow down first, and then I decided to add the hello above, going around the shape of the rainbow. And I just thought this created such a cute little modern baby card. So easy and quick to make, and that's what I really love, when you can find a card kit that's got some beautiful stuff in there that you could really create some intricate and beautiful cards, but also has the versatility of allowing you to make really quick cards easily so that you can make loads of them and send them out. So there is me just fussing around with making sure that I position those letters really in the right place. And I just love the glitter of the gold that ties in with the glitter accents on the rainbow, particularly that little heart in the middle. I thought it was just a soft, delicate little baby card. Now I have created some more cards that I will be showing in another video coming up soon, but I've also got a couple more cards up on the blog showing you how to create a bit more of an Easter style card, as well as a fun, bright, happy card. So make sure you check out my blog, the link is in the description box below. If you're interested in purchasing the kit, I've also got an affiliated link at no extra cost to you in the description box below. If you're new to my channel, why not think about subscribing? You're going to hit that bell icon to be notified when my next video is up. Until next time, happy crafting!